got a squeeze box she wears on her chest. When daddy comes home, he never gets no rest. Cause she's playing all night, and the music's alright. Mama's got a squeeze box, daddy never sleeps at night. Wanna hear some more about it?
One here. That's Wisteria. Convicted of shoplifting 4 times. But I worked on her. Taught her all the finer things, and now she is married to the president of the Salinas Forward and Upward Club. Carried the tree on Arbor Day.
Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Rita, or Mimi, or whatever you want to call me. Doesn't matter. I've been called lots of things. But a rose by any other name would smell as sweet. So, whatever makes you feel good. You know, as far as I'm concerned. Here we study the 12 laws of mind that we operate all the time. And we operate them because we're struggling with both sides. And so we have to understand the nature of our being. Okay, we know all about the human. Okay, no need to go over there. Science told us all about it. You know, how fear drives this and that and the other. Great, okay? You're to supplant that. You're Jacob the supplanter. You're Achilles. You know, it's the story of Achilles and his heel and that weakness, just like with Jacob, you know, and he's battling that. And everybody's got their own cross to bear, their own perception to deal with. So most people have this perception that the outside world, it has influence over them, therefore giving influence to the outside world. You know, what most people don't understand is there's this, you know, consciousness, whole and complete, meaning it's a consciousness, it's an imagination, and it's the feeling of love. It's a being. In the Bible, it's known as God Almighty, El Shaddai. Okay, it's that. And everything comes out of that. And it's telling a story. This being, okay, it's telling a story with its imagination and its feeling of love and its consciousness. And because it can do anything, it took its consciousness and imagination and put it in front of itself. Okay, and now streams into that. That's the eye, the all-seeing eye. These two are unconditioned. Okay, they're not moved into form yet. That's what she wants. She wants to be a form, you know, and so they make a man, because in order to take form, somebody has to appreciate it, admire, respect it, love it. Okay? They got to praise it. Tell me what you think about it. You know, well, you like this? Yeah, I like that, you know. And we were all one, easily accepting that. And then we started seeing, falling into the mirror, falling into the looking glass. So you have so many things available to you. You have mirrors in your house. Go look at one. Go look into that mirror and say, I love you. Look into your eyes and say, I love you, because the eyes are the window to the soul, and it's going right into your eye, straight to your soul. Where's your soul? It's in your heart. That's El Shaddai, whole and complete. Sitting right there, ready to do whatever you want him to. And she's doing the thinking. And it's a he, she, mother, father. You know, it's all coming out of her. And so in language, she is the is. God is life. And we express what's coming through her consciousness. I am alive. Okay? That's you, the I am. She is. It just is. Okay? It is what it is. I am who I am. You know, I'm the perfect expression of God. What you gonna do about it? She's got my back. There's nothing you can do about it. You know, I love you all. I don't even know how I thought about you, but since one of my brothers did, so I'm gonna raise him up. Son, nobody talks like that anymore. Nobody thinks like that. Please. I don't think so. So last century, sweetheart. Don't be like that. You're forgiven. It's forgotten. Don't worry about it. Let's move on. You know, and you're seeing this playing out in humanity right now. You need a credit card. You know, and they're telling you there's not enough of this and there's not enough of that, and look, it's their fault and their fault, when everybody knew it was, you know, our fault. It's our fault. Okay, we listened to somebody, we allowed them to take charge. No, the people are taking charge now. That's enough. Nobody thinks like that. Okay, we have to clean up this room. This is just not gonna do. We love you, sweetheart. You just can't be like that, okay? And if you want to be like that, you know, go to your room and go hang out by yourself. Nobody wants to be around you. And until you figure out, you know, how you need to act before you come out of your room again. And that's your house, okay? So understand, you got pressures on. And you're part of humanity. So things are coming out in humanity. But don't you believe this? No. I know it is perfect. I know it's perfectly fine. I know it is. You're saying this is God. Is. Okay? I know I am safe and secure. I know God is with me now. You know, think about that verb, if nothing else, the verb to be. Okay, is and am. You're shaping it with the I am. Okay, what's streaming into you. And she's told your story. She's got your story. You know, y'all need to get over it. It's all predestined. You know, you can fight it all you want. You know, but she's going to be there, and you're not going to move or get anything until you submit. You've been playing this game long enough. LOA, doing techniques, all this other stuff. These are the people I'm really speaking with, because they're the ones struggling. Their techniques have stopped working. If they do work, it's off and on. They don't understand it. You're looking at life objectively. Even while, in many cases, people are in that in-between state, and that's known as spiritual vanity. You know, and some will tell you that's an unforgivable sin. Well, no, it's not. Working your way through it. Mama don't care. Mama loves you. You're her dancing machine. You're showing her off. You see her.
Here goes! In and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. While she's playing all night, yeah, the music's alright. Mama's got a squeeze, but daddy never sleeps at night.
You know, at last you see her. And it can be a he or she, because usually the one parent is one that you really identified with as loving and wonderful and, you know, put upon, maybe, usually. And one as, you know, the strict disciplinarian, you know. So in my case, I don't have a problem with mother anymore, and it was father for a long time, because my father was, you know, my growing up and all, it was the more loving and giving person. But then it just, you realize, wait a minute, you know, what's behind the curtain, you know, the Wizard of Oz thing, and it's her, you know. She's like, hi. Come on, I'm your mama. I love you. I don't care what you've been doing. And she doesn't sleep. Okay? There's no yesterday as far as she's concerned. That's a man thing. Okay, because when the I came out, created time and space. It's part of the framework. Okay, and you have to get past that. You need to get past that. You're going to swim up through the I, okay, and get back to mom. And that's what you're praising. That's what you're recognizing. You know, I am the light. I am the way. Well, the way to what? Okay, to life, to mom. She's the one who gave us birth. She did it all. You know, Holy Mary, Mother of God. Okay, it's understanding that. So you just, you know, when you look at money, you need to lose all your prejudices and biases about it. Start forgiving them. Forgive your debts, you know. Just say it. I forgive everyone and everything that's showing me I have debt. I know that's not true. I know that's just a lie I've been telling myself. And I forgive everyone and everything that ever made me think it. I don't care who they were. Okay? Because it's so insidious. You know, and you see that right now. You can see it because communications have become almost instantaneous. So these things can't be denied anymore. You know, and that a lot of people know these laws and have it wrapped around an ego. Okay, and they're playing the objective guy. And they're deliberately creating inflation to push you towards what they think is good. You don't get to decide what is good or bad for me. That's me. That's personal, man. You know, get out of my business. And it's none of your business. You know, and it's that simple. And you keep very focused in these times of trouble because they're trying to force you to look their way, to believe the climate is screwed up, that it is not perfect. And it is perfect. You know, and they're just playing a role that's been built up over time. So you don't blame the people. Okay, it's the role. You change the definition of the role. You know, and the definition is already there. You've just been looking at it objectively. So you forgive them and start redefining that word. You know, I know they're really here to represent. I know they really don't act like that. I know they know to put aside their beliefs, that it's a duty, and nobody wants to do it for very long. Ooh, duty. You know, y'all want to be that? Go ahead. I don't want to do it. No, thank you. But I love you. You know, I do. Somebody's got to do it. You know, somebody's got to do it. You know, is that kind of praying for your brother. Because you know there's an infinite supply. She's right back here. She's your credit card. So you say, you know, God is my supply. Why you kiss your credit card? I love it. I love it. How this is always available to me. Wherever I am, whenever I am, for as long as I am. I am. You know, this is with me. It's my loves. My love gave this to me. You know, that's my mother. Pardon me. So I hope this helps. She is the source of your supply. He is the source. God is the source of my supply. Whatever the source is the source of my supply. It's not separate. It all comes from her. And we're like a mirror that, you know, when the light hits the mirror, it refracts into all these, you know, tons of different colors. And each one of us is a perfect, beautiful color. You know, so it's stay focused and, you know, keep using that. There's only unity, harmony, and love because it's body, mind, and spirit. Body is the physical, mind is your mind, and spirit, the mother of us all. So it's, you know, there's only unity, harmony, and love, you know, in my body, mind, and spirit. We work as one. whatever resonates with you. And it does. It harmonizes. You know, that's why we love those guys like the Jackson 5. It's harmony. You know, you're seeing it and hearing it, and, you know, you can't help it. And it's when fear and doubt, no, I don't think like that anymore. I know my mom wants to express herself, and by golly, I'm going to just lay here and let her do it. You know, it's okay. She's perfect. She's perfect good. And you get into that ultimate mental diet, contemplating on God, you know, and you get more and more understanding in your own way. I mean, the messages will come to you at, you know, by your preferences. So I hope this helps. Blessings to you. And thank you. Thank you for being you.
Acrobatic, dynamite, a jerk, a double for corn, she comes alive. Yeah, she knows what she's doing. She's super bad now. Better really blow your mind.
Mama's got a squeeze box she wears on her chest. When daddy comes home, he never gets no rest. Cause she's playing all night, and the music's alright. Mama's got a squeeze box, daddy never sleeps at night. Wanna hear some more about it? Well, the kids don't